So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number. So guys, type HP LaserJet Pro MFP M479, this one. Okay, so by default detect Windows 10. So if you are using different, so choose the different OS, then you can use any server which is using, select this. Okay, so no worry about that. Installations almost same if you using any operating system. Then click to update. So lot of features you can see. This is a printer and update, and this is firmware. So if you have to update the firmware, so you just click to download and next to install. This is very simple. Okay, and this is scanner software. So if you have to networkly scan, okay, so just use this and download and install. This is printer driver, and this is fax. Now this is not using. You can see this is basic driver support. So just extract it. You can size. Okay, and this is also, so this is HP Easy Smart. You can see the size. So this is require the internet. This is actually software, and after the install the software, after that install driver automatically. And actual, this is driver, okay, with software and all. And this is basic driver. Okay, so I recommend guys install this one just. Okay, and this is basic driver, like click to, and installations process same. So which is recommended, click to download, wait few seconds to it complete it. After completed, then click to single click to open, and then click to yes. Now this is extract data to your system. Then guys, you can see detect automatically shortcut to your desktop. So just double click, then yes. Okay, so connect new device. Okay, and select automatic and next. Okay, this is checking environment to network. If you are already connected, so it will show here. Okay, connect to LAN. Okay, and then next. Okay, then enter this, and then next to install IP address. Okay, okay, so you can connect to this. You can also connect to by USB and like that. Okay, otherwise you connect later, and then next, and then finish, then restart your system and then check it.